destructive path. What is the mind? What actually goes on in it? Why does the universe or higher power influence our minds? Could the mind be an entirely new organ we don't know yet? What is the true nature of the human mind? Think about this over and over again. But Einstein correctly said that God should stop playing dice with the universe. There's some higher power always influencing our minds. They make us make mistakes so that we would do more, try more, give out more of our information, etc. If you understand this subconscious cycle